Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fish jerky at home. First, selecting the right fish is crucial. Opt for lean varieties such as salmon, tuna, or cod, ensuring they are very fresh. Look for clear eyes and a clean scent. Before anything else, carefully remove all bones and skin from your fish fillets, preparing them perfectly for the next steps in our jerky-making adventure. Next, precision in slicing is important. Cut your fish into uniform strips, ideally between 1/8 and 1/4 inch thick, ensuring even drying. Now, for the flavor, prepare a robust marinade using ingredients like salt, sugar, and an acid such as vinegar or lemon juice. Submerge your fish strips completely and let them marinate in the refrigerator for a minimum of 6 to 12 hours, allowing the flavors to fully infuse. Now it's time to dry your fish. A food dehydrator is ideal. Set it to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have one, your oven can work too. Set it to its lowest temperature, leaving the door slightly ajar to allow moisture to escape. Dry the fish for approximately 4 to 8 hours, checking periodically until the jerky is firm, pliable, and no longer sticky. Once your delicious fish jerky is ready, let it cool completely to room temperature. This prevents condensation and spoilage. Store your cooled jerky in an airtight container, and it will remain fresh for several weeks at room temperature. For extended enjoyment, you can refrigerate it for a few months or even freeze it for longer periods, ensuring you always have a tasty snack on hand.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.